In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit tables in Google Slides. This quick tip tutorial will walk you through each step clearly and thoroughly, ensuring you'll be able to seamlessly integrate data into your slides. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, simply access the Google Slides website from your preferred browser. Most people tend to use Chrome for its compatibility and speed, but any browser will do. Next, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Signing in is essential because it allows you access to your slides and ensures that all your changes are saved automatically to the cloud, keeping things safe and synchronized across devices. Once you've signed in and you're on the Google Slides homepage, you have a couple of options for starting your project. You can either click on blank presentation to start from scratch, or select from a range of available templates if you prefer not to build everything from the ground up. Templates can be great for saving time while still allowing you to create aesthetically pleasing presentations. For today's walkthrough, we assume you are starting with a blank presentation. Now that you've got your presentation ready, it's time to bring in some data. Imagine you have an Excel spreadsheet containing data you would like to showcase in your slide. You'll want to copy this data directly from Excel. Simply highlight the range of cells that you need, right-click and hit copy, or use the command Ctrl+C for a quicker approach. Head back over to Google Slides and select the specific slide where you want to place your table. Here, you'll paste the data. But before finalizing the paste, something crucial is happening. Google Slides will prompt you with an option to either link this data to the spreadsheet or not. Linking to the spreadsheet ensures that any changes made to the Excel file are reflected in your Google Slides in real time. This can be an incredibly powerful feature when working with constantly updated data sets. So go ahead and select Link to Spreadsheet. Finally, to cement your action, click on the Paste button. The data from your spreadsheet will now appear on your slide in table form. With this setup, you've not only imported your data but also created a dynamic link back to its source. And there you have it. You have now learned how to edit and integrate tables into Google Slides. This process is not only efficient but also enhances the flexibility of your presentations, ensuring they stay up to date with the latest data. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy presenting.